All right, guys, I got a quick video for you. So I'm doing a condenser on these 10th gen Civics because there's a bulletin and an extended warranty on the condensers because they develop a pinhole leak, right? And then you lose AC, and it's very common. And I don't know if you ever encountered this, but have you had them leak onto the condenser, and then it causes the radiator, the aluminum, to start leaking coolant? So you see right there. You see the dark spot around the area where the condenser has leaked, and then it's gotten onto the radiator, because you can see all this stuff, that's all the pollen and everything stuck to the radiator because I guess the compressor oil and all that stuff gets onto the radiator, and it causes the radiator itself to leak coolant. You can see right here, it's all crusty here, and then you can see all like the dark spots. I don't know how well it's going to show on the camera, but you can see like the dark spot where the pinhole has leaked on the condenser, and now it's causing the radiator to leak. Same thing with down here. See all that blue crusties? That's little pinhole leaks caused by the pinhole leaks on the condenser. So let me just show you better down here. So you got coolant leaking out of there. So it's nice and crusty there. So there's multiple spots where it's starting to leak coolant, and then like right over there. So let me know down in the comments if you guys who are replacing these condensers are having the same issue. I don't know if it's because of like the material or like the refrigerant we're using that's causing the aluminum to, I guess aluminum is porous, right? So I don't know, maybe like a chemical reaction or something. I'm not an expert at this thing. I just want to see what your guys' input, and yeah, let me know down in the comments. So I'm going to need to replace this radiator now while I still have this condenser. And then for you non-Honda techs are saying, hey, they probably spilled coolant from the reservoir or the radiator cap. There's no radiator cap on this radiator. The radiator cap is on that reservoir over there. I just put this in because somebody's gonna say something. I don't know, but usually if they spilled it, then all that will leak down, and you have more than just little tiny pinhole spots.